In-laws are family members you gain through marriage. They are not related by blood, but become part of your family when you marry. This lesson covers the 4 most important in-law terms you need for everyday English conversations about your extended family. Mother-in-law means your spouse's mother. If you are married to a man, his mother is your mother-in-law. If you are married to a woman, her mother is your mother-in-law. She is also your children's grandmother from your spouse's side. Father-in-law means your spouse's father. This is your husband's father or your wife's father. He becomes your father-in-law through marriage. He is also your children's grandfather from your spouse's family. Brother-in-law has 3 meanings. First, your spouse's brother. Second, your sister's husband. Third, your spouse's sister's husband. All 3 relationships use the same term brother-in-law in English. Sister-in-law also has 3 meanings. First, your spouse's sister. Second, your brother's wife. Third, your spouse's brother's wife. Remember these 3 ways to use sister-in-law correctly. Listen to these natural sentences. I visited my mother-in-law yesterday. My mother-in-law makes the best biryani. My father-in-law is a great storyteller. Father-in-law loves playing chess. Practice saying these sentences aloud. Here are more example sentences. My brother-in-law is coming to dinner. I went fishing with my brother-in-law. My sister-in-law is an amazing cook. Sister-in-law helped plan the wedding. Repeat these sentences to practice. Quick summary of all 4 terms. Mother-in-law equals spouse's mother. Father-in-law equals spouse's father. Brother-in-law equals spouse's brother. Sister-in-law equals spouse's sister. These are the essential in-law vocabulary words.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.